In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Microsoft Word. If you want to change the top, bottom, left, or right margins of your Microsoft Word document, you can easily adjust them using the Layout tab. Changing the margins can help you control the amount of space around your text and make your document fit the layout you need. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to change the margins. Once the document is open, go to the Layout tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Page Setup section, look for the Margins option and click on it. A menu will appear with several preset margin options. These presets allow you to quickly change the amount of space around your document without entering the measurements manually. You can choose one of the available options depending on how much space you want around your text. If you need specific measurements for the top, bottom, left, and right sides, select Custom Margins from the menu. The Page Setup window will now appear. Here, you will see separate settings for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. To change the top margin, enter the measurement you want in the top field. To change the bottom margin, enter your preferred measurement in the bottom field. You can also change the left margin by entering a measurement in the left field, and change the right margin by entering a measurement in the right field. Make sure the measurements are set according to the requirements of your document. For example, a school assignment, business document, or printed report may require specific margin settings. After entering the measurements you want, click OK. Microsoft Word will immediately apply the new margin settings to your document. You should now see the text move according to the amount of space you selected around the page. If the margins look too wide or too narrow, you can return to the Margins option and adjust them again until the document has the layout you want. Changing margins does not change the actual text in your document. It simply changes the amount of space between your content and the edges of the page. This is especially useful when you need to prepare a document for printing, follow specific formatting requirements, or create more space for your content. Once you're satisfied with the margins, save your document so the changes are preserved. And that's how you can change the top, bottom, left, and right margins in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,